Here's a great deal on a 2003 Honda Accord. This two-door, five-passenger coupe provides exceptional value. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.